Welcome to the Advanced Guide to Monday.com Tasks, where we will explore the features and capabilities of this powerful work operating system. Monday.com is a platform designed to help teams manage their work and collaborate more efficiently. To get started, it is essential to understand the basics of Monday.com, including items, boards, and workflows. Items represent individual tasks or projects. Boards are used to visualize and organize these items. And workflows are the processes that connect and automate tasks. Let's dive deeper into tasks. Which are the building blocks of Monday.com? A task can be created by clicking the plus icon on a board and selecting the task type. You can then add a title, description, and assign it to a team member. Tasks can also be prioritized, categorized, and due dates can be set. One of the key features of Monday.com is the ability to automate tasks using workflows. Workflows are created using a visual interface, where you can connect different actions and conditions to automate tasks. For example, you can create a workflow that sends a notification to a team member when a task is assigned to them. Another important concept in Monday.com is integrations. Monday.com integrates with a wide range of third-party apps, including Google Drive, Trello, and Slack. These integrations allow you to connect your existing tools and workflows to Monday.com, making it a central hub for your team's work. Best practices for using Monday.com tasks include setting clear and specific goals, assigning tasks to the right team members, and using workflows to automate repetitive tasks. It is also essential to establish a clear and consistent naming convention for tasks and boards, making it easier to navigate and search for information. In conclusion, Monday.com tasks are a powerful tool for managing work and collaborating with teams by understanding the basics of items, boards, and workflows, and using features such as automation and integrations. You can unlock the full potential of Monday.com and take your team's productivity to the next level. With these best practices and features, you can create a customized workflow that meets your team's specific needs and helps you achieve your goals.